And next, we're going to have Venerable Bande Sadajiva. Sadajiva, Bande, please.
Good morning to everybody. Today is the day that we celebrate to get attitude the Buddha. Today is the day Buddha born to this world. Today is the day he attained enlightenment, and today is the day he passed away. Buddha is a great teacher. He is recognized most of the people around the world as a religious leader. This is one of mistake that we done in human history. Buddha is just a teacher. What he said, Tummehe kichang atapo akataro tatagato. I'm just a teacher. You should follow the guidance to achieve the goals what you maintain in your life. Achieving that achieving your goals, you have opportunity to develop your peace and insight. To achieve that goal, what we should do, we following Buddha's teachings, we can see in Metta Sutta, Karaniya Metta Sutta, there are few qualities that we should develop. The qualities are, one should be able, straight, upright, obedient, gentle, and humble. One should be content, easy to support with pure duties, living lightly, control in senses, discreet, non-impudent, unattached to family. These are some qualities that Buddha mentioned in Metta Sutta. First, as a first thing, we should make a goal for our life as a human beings. As a human being, we have a goal to develop our humanity, to become a superhuman beings. Why we want to become a superhuman being? Get rid of all the sufferings. If you are not developing your human qualities, which we call at the beginning, metta, karuna, mudita, upekka, loving friendliness, compassion, sympathetic joy, equanimity, these are the qualities of the human beings. If you are not developing these qualities, you always hanging around with defilements, which we call lobha, dvesha, moha. Lobha means greediness, dvesha means anger, moha means ignorance. These are the cause for all suffering. This virus has not came from another realms. This virus created by the human being in this world because of their unpurified mind, unpurified actions, diluted actions. Then corona is a result. Now we have to find out the cause to give the best solution for this epidemic. Recognizing cause, then we can find a path how we can get rid of that. As human being, we have most powerful weapon which we normally don't use, that is our mind. Mind is the most important things that we should develop as a human being. Developing our mind, we can see solutions for our matters, for our sufferings. To develop our mind, very important thing is concentration. Developing concentration is most important thing. To develop our concentration, there are 3 activities that we should apply, which we call dana, sila, bhavana, practicing generosity, observing precepts. Observing precepts mean respecting rules and regulations, norms, values, taboos, all these things. And also practicing meditation. Applying these 3 methods, we have opportunity to develop our concentration. Developing concentration, we have opportunity to gain our wisdom. Wisdom is the best solution for our all matters and problems what we are facing. And wisdom is the best solution to achieve our goal, happiness, which we always maintain everyone in the world to be happy. If this is the goal for us to achieve that goal, wisdom is the best solution for that. If you can think about, focus about all these things, what delivered by the Buddha, guided by the Buddha, applying all these methods, we can get into the path that Buddha show us, and we can be a very good Buddhist follower. Buddhist follower means not someone who is following the teachings of the Buddha with the blind faith. We have to open our mind. We have to get the ability to see things very clearly. If you have these qualities with us, if you are able to develop all these qualities with us in this very life, we can make very comfortable place. We can make this world peaceful place. We can make this place like a paradise for all living beings. We did so many mistakes in the history. As a result of those mistakes, we have to pay for it. Buddha said, every volitional action has a reaction. Every volitional action has a reaction. In our history, with our greed, with our other defilements, we did so many mistakes. As a result of those mistakes, we have these things to come, these things to face in today. As we know in the history, 1980s, we had some kind of epidemic like this. That day we used same guidance what we have today. But it seems following this method in this life, we fail health-wise, education-wise, we fail in this world. Now we have to focus to develop our spirituality, inside development. This is the Buddha's teaching. If you can do Sabba Papa Sakaranam, don't do any evil, Kusala Supasampada, develop your skill, Sachitta Paryodapanam, control your mind. Etam Buddhana Sasana, this is the teachings of the Buddha. If we can follow this guidance in this short time period of life, what we can live, what we have to live in this world as a human being, we can uplift this humanity to top of level. Buddha is a role model for us. So we have to see him with clear mind. We have to see him with open mind, not as a religious leader, as a leader to all living beings. Particularly, we have to accept him as a role model for the human beings. If you can make that determination with yourself, this is the best way to respect to the Buddha. I would like to end my little words saying, Buddhan saranang gacchami, Dhamman saranang gacchami, Sangham saranang gacchami. Thank you very much. May you all be well, happy and peaceful.